everyone, this is my assignment hard problem for calculus, and it was actually really hard, and now you will see the actual
First, to
solution.
solve this integral, we need to substitute u with x divided by 2. Then dx by calculating will equal to 2 du. So we have this integral. Then we use the reduction formula, which looks exactly like this: n minus 1 divided by n integral of sine raised to n minus 2 sine n minus 2 u du minus cosine u sine raised to n minus 1 u divided by n equals to 6. Then we have this when n equals to 6. So you see, I just wrote it beforehand because right now it will be quite hard because I will be holding the camera and writing at the same time. Then we use reduction formula again, but this time with n equals to 4. We get this integral. And then once more, but with n equals to 2. So like each time we reduce it by 2, and we have minus cosine u sine u divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 integral of 1 du, which is u. So we have u divided by 2 minus cosine u sine u divided by 2. Now we plug in the other solved integral. So for example, let's take at first this one, minus cosine u sine cubed u divided by 4 plus 3 divided by 4 sine square u du, which equals to, okay, I will not retell all of it again, but you can see that. And now we will move on to the next page. Actually, the solution is quite long. Now plugging in the other one. So minus cosine u sine raised to 5 u divided by 6 plus 5 divided by 6 sine raised to 4 u du. We get this result. Look, this one. It's actually quite big as well. And then we plug in the for 2 sine raised to 6 u du. We have minus cosine u sine raised to 5 u divided by 3 minus 5 cosine u sine cubic u divided by 12 minus 5 cosine u sine u divided by 8 plus 5 u divided by 8. Then we replace u with x divided by 2. We get 5x divided by 16 minus cosine x divided by 2 sine raised to 5x divided by 2 divided by 3, all of it. Then minus 5 cosine x divided by 2 sine cubic x divided by 2 divided by 12 minus 5 cosine x divided by 2 sine x divided by 2 divided by 8. Now we simplify it and we get minus sine 3x minus 9 sine 2x plus 45 sine x minus 30x divided by 96 on an interval from pi to 0. And our answer equals 5 pi divided by 16 when we plug in 5. By simple calculations, you can actually check that when we put instead of x pi, we will get exactly this answer. So for that, there is no need to explain anything. You can just use your calculator. So this is the second page of the solution, and this is the first page of the solution. So mainly we solve this integral by using the reduction formula. However, no matter how hard it seemed in the beginning, by replacing actually x divided by 2 by one variable, which is u, we totally simplified the function. And again, just I wrote it beforehand, but of course it's my handwriting, but because it would have been not so comfortable to hold the camera and write at the same time. So we used reduction formula a few times unless n totally disappeared. At first n was 6, then n was 4, then n was 2. When n was 2, actually we had the easiest integral, which was integral of 1, which was exactly u, and we just sort of substituted u instead of this integral. And after that we plugged in again one more integral. It was the integral of already sine square, you see. And then we had sine raised to 4. Sine square, sine raised to 4, and then sine raised to 6. You see, it's actually easy. So it's 3 steps. First, because we used n 6, 4, and 2, now when converting from integrals, finding antiderivatives, we actually use vice versa. 2, 4, and 6. And after that, the answer that we got, we just sort of simplified it by using the general formulas. I will not tell them here because they will be too long, but you can understand it very simply. It's just opening the brackets and actually solving the whole equation. And then instead of x, we just substituted pi and of course, like subtracted 0, which actually would give us 0, and we got 5 pi divided by 16. By using the calculator, you can actually find the approximate value.